What's the meaning of Arthur Bliss? Arthur Bliss. Arthur Bliss.
Arthur Bliss. Arthur Bliss. Arthur Bliss was an English composer and conductor who lived from 1891 to 1975. He is known for his works in a variety of genres, including ballets, operas, orchestral pieces, and chamber music. His music often features colorful harmonies and rhythmic vitality, and has been described as both optimistic and expansive. Throughout his career, Bliss held several important positions in the classical music world, including Master of the Queen's Music from 1953 until his death. Overall, Arthur Bliss is an important figure in the history of British music and continues to be celebrated for his contributions to the art form.